Drawings are critically important. Every aspect of the geometry has to be accurately and clearly conveyed, so manufacturing can produce a perfect part. And you need to create them fast, so you can move on to the next project. So we've designed the drawing tools in Autodesk Inventor specifically to help you create accurate drawings fast. Let's start by placing the required views for the drawing. The base view can be positioned, scaled, and oriented using the interactive view cube and corners of the view to get it just right. Once placed, you can add projected views right away based on the position of the cursor, and then define custom display options. The marking menu is also available in the drawing environment, providing fast access to common commands such as placing auxiliary and section views. Once placed, you can define a breakout using sketch curves to show only the aspects of the part that are needed by manufacturing. Dimensions can then be added manually. Or you can save some time by retrieving the dimensions you already created in the 3D model, selecting only those that manufacturing needs to make the part. And because drawings are often used in design reviews, dimensions can be modified in the drawing environment, driving a change in the original 3D model. For documenting full assemblies, the Inventor Drawing Manager helps speed the creation of parts lists and annotations. You can insert an exploded view in the drawing, and using the same controls as before, the view can be scaled and positioned for the best visibility of the components of interest. From there, the Auto Balloon tool numbers and places the annotations, with several options for placing them just where you want them. As the drawing is saved, you'll notice it's a native DWG file. That means there will be no need to export, no risk of translation errors, and it can be worked on in both Inventor and AutoCAD. Opening it in AutoCAD, we can make modifications to the drawing, such as changing views, adding or removing dimensions, or adding a note that will be carried back into Inventor the next time it's opened. If you're more comfortable inside a traditional 2D environment, you also have the option to create drawings directly inside AutoCAD, while still maintaining an associative link to the 3D model. So you can use your familiar tools and commands to create fully detailed drawings, knowing they'll always be up to date. Regardless of whether you choose Inventor or AutoCAD to document your products, you have the tools you need to quickly create detailed drawings for manufacturing that will always be accurate and in sync with your 3D model.